Today in the garage I'll be diagnosing a random misfire. First I cleared all codes, ran the engine for a while, and ended up with another code. I swapped the number 7 and number 5 ignition coils around, ran the engine, got another code. Misfire on cylinder number 5. Turns out we had a bad coil, but I wanted to make sure there was no other issues. So I dove into the spark plugs, and most of them I found were golden brown, looked like they're all operating like they should. Inspecting the number 7 spark plug, on the other hand, there was some issues there. The insulator had multiple cracks all around, and I suspect it was grounding out to the engine rather than operating as it should.